was a Saturday. Amy was scrolling through her phone when she came across this easy recipe for pancakes at home. She was already feeling a bit peckish and wanted to try out the recipe. So she went to the kitchen and took out all the ingredients needed. She had a mixing bowl for making the batter. As she picked up the eggs, one of them slipped out of her hand and fell on the floor. There was egg all over the floor. Thinking that she would clean it up later, she moved on with beating the ingredients with the electric beater. The moment she turned on the beater, the mixing bowl toppled down and the mixture spilled all over the counter, and splashes were even there on the wall. She then realized that she was supposed to hold the bowl steady with one hand. Nothing was going as planned and she had made a disaster. It was at this moment when her mother entered the kitchen and saw the mess that Amy had made. Her mother was a bit furious, but seeing Amy already scared and panicked, she didn't get angry. Instead, she consoled Amy and said that it was okay. After that, both mother-daughter together cleaned up the mess, and her mother showed Amy how to make pancakes. It was a nice bonding that they both did together.